What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a fire extinguisher kit in my G82. This is one of those OEM Plus mods that adds a safety upgrade while also looking like it came straight from the factory. I'll walk you guys through the installation step by step, show you how everything mounts up, and give you my thoughts on the fit and finish. Now this item will be available on my store, automatscollective.com. So once you get to the end of the video, if you like it, please be sure to check out the site and you guys can get yourself one over there. All right guys, let's unbox this thing. So as soon as you open it, you'll see some instructions. Install difficulty, 1 star. Looks like we just have a couple of bolts. Just put that here. We then have this bracket. Next up is this. So the company I got this from, OEM Extinguishers, they did a very good job packing this. Let's go ahead and get this open right now, see what it looks like inside. All right guys, so check this out. It's actually super cool. This bracket is an actual BMW part. It's got the part number right there. So we know it's gonna be an easy install. And once you get the bubble wrap off, we still have some amazing packaging. We're gonna get this opened up. This is insane, guys. Color matched Brooklyn gray. I got the black label. This looks so good. Production year 2026. So looks like that's a safety. You press this down first. Then it's labeled number 2 right there. So step 1, step 2. You also have directions right here. Press yellow button. Number 2, press the red button. It's all pretty simple. All right, so inside the box, you're gonna get 1 metal bracket, 1 plastic holder, 2 T25 screws, 2 T40 screws, and then you're gonna get your fire extinguisher. So you guys might have to assemble this yourself. The first thing you're gonna do, pop this open. Once this comes off, you're gonna remove this plastic piece. That's put out the way. So now you have this plastic holder. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how this sits inside this holder, just because it might be easier here. But if you look closely, you see this part? This is gonna slide right in this opening right here. So I don't want to scratch my Brooklyn gray paint. So I'm just gonna pull this out a little. And this is gonna slide in just like that. And then you're gonna put it over, and obviously you could snap it in. So that's how it's gonna hold. And to get the bracket on, if you look inside here, this is gonna slide in there. And you're gonna slide it right through, just like that. These screws are gonna line up right here, and you're gonna wanna put the T25 through that hole. Now I'm gonna take the first T25, So guys, the extinguisher works with both carbon buckets like I have, as well as the comfort seats. The first thing you're going to want to do is put the seat back all the way. And we're going to look for 2 areas where the bracket's going to hold on to. The first one's right here, and the second one's over here. Let me give you guys a better look. So you guys have one right here, and the second one's right here. Then I'm going to raise it up as well. So now what you're going to want to do is take the bracket, have it positioned like this. I removed the extinguisher just so you guys have an easier time seeing what I'm doing, but that's where the nozzle goes. So, I mean, you can't really put it the wrong way. You'll see this pull direction arrow. So let's get the far side in first. See, this is the bracket or the mounting area. I want to slide it up there. So let's pick this up. Lift it over on one side, right there. There you go. Let's see if I can get this held up for you guys. As you guys can see, the bolt's gonna go right there. And if you look at this side, I'm lined up here as well. So let's get the first bolt through. Here's the first one. Now for the second bolt, we got it secure. Should lock right in. This should go over. There we go. Overall, I'm really impressed with this kit. The fitment is absolutely perfect because it uses the OEM mounting bracket along with the OEM points. The quality and finish are superb, and the installation itself is incredibly simple. If you're interested in adding one to your own G8X, please check out automatscollective.com. The kit is offered in standard red, or you could choose to have it painted in any BMW individual color to perfectly match your build. Thank you guys for watching. I hope the install video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, drop me a like, leave me a comment. And if you're enjoying the channel overall, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really gets more engagement, allows the channel to grow, and I will see you guys on the next video.